Hello, and welcome to English Journey TV. I'm so happy you're here today. This is day 1 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English, you're not alone. Many English learners understand English, but they don't feel confident enough to speak. That changes today. For the next 30 days, we'll practice together using real English that you can use in everyday life. Don't worry about making mistakes. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The most important thing is to keep speaking. Today, you'll practice 99 useful English sentences. Listen carefully. After you hear each sentence, say it out loud with confidence. The more you speak, the more natural English will become. Take your time. Relax. Smile. Believe in yourself. Your English journey starts right now. Let's begin. Sentence 1. Hello. Hello. Sentence 2. Good morning. Good morning. Sentence 3. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sentence 4. Good evening. Good evening. Sentence 5. How are you? How are you? Sentence 6. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Sentence 7. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Sentence 8. My name is David. My name is David. Sentence 9. What is your name? What is your name? Sentence 10. Where are you from? Where are you from? Sentence 11. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm from Ethiopia. Sentence 12. I live in the United States. I live in the United States. Sentence 13. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sentence 15. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sentence 16. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sentence 17. Please help me. Please help me. Sentence 18. I don't understand. I don't understand. Sentence 19. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Sentence 20. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Sentence 21. I understand now. I understand now. Sentence 22. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sentence 23. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn. Sentence 24. Today is a great day. Today is a great day. Sentence 25. I will speak English every day. I will speak English every day. Motivation. Excellent work. You have completed the first 25 sentences of your English fluency journey. Remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. It comes from speaking every day. Keep practicing these sentences until they feel natural. Tomorrow, you'll build on what you learned today with even more useful English. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. Now let's continue with the next 25 sentences. These sentences are a little longer and will help you speak more naturally in everyday situations. Take your time, speak clearly, let's continue. Sentence 26. How was your day? How was your day? Sentence 27. My day was wonderful. My day was wonderful. Sentence 28. I'm feeling happy today. I'm feeling happy today. Sentence 29. I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. Sentence 30. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Sentence 31. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Sentence 32. Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together. Sentence 33. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Sentence 34. I'd like a sandwich and some water. I'd like a sandwich and some water. Sentence 35. This food is really delicious. This food is really delicious. Sentence 36. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Sentence 37. I'd like to order now. I'd like to order now. Sentence 38. Could I have the bill, please? Could I have the bill, please? Sentence 39. Thank you for your excellent service. Thank you for your excellent service. Sentence 40. Where are we going today? Where are we going today? Sentence 41. Let's go to the supermarket. Let's go to the supermarket. Sentence 42. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Sentence 43. That's a little expensive. That's a little expensive. Sentence 44. Do you have a different color? Do you have a different color? Sentence 45. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Sentence 46. Can I pay with my credit card? Can I pay with my credit card? Sentence 47. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Sentence 48. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Sentence 49. I'm learning English every single day. I'm learning English every single day. Sentence 50. Every day I become a better English speaker. Every day I become a better English speaker. Motivation. Fantastic job! You have now completed 50 essential English sentences. Take a moment to appreciate your progress. Every sentence you speak helps train your brain to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Don't worry if you don't remember every sentence right away. Review them, listen again, and keep speaking. Repetition builds confidence, and confidence leads to fluency. You're doing an amazing job. By now, you've already practiced 50 useful English sentences. In this part, you'll practice longer and more natural sentences that people use in everyday conversations. Relax, speak clearly, and enjoy the process. Let's continue. Sentence 51. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Sentence 52. I'm studying English right now. I'm studying English right now. Sentence 53. I practice English every morning. I practice English every morning. Sentence 54. Practice makes me more confident. Practice makes me more confident. Sentence 55. I enjoy learning new vocabulary. I enjoy learning new vocabulary. Sentence 56. I watch English videos every evening. I watch English videos every evening. Sentence 57. Listening carefully improves my pronunciation. Listening carefully improves my pronunciation. Sentence 58. Speaking every day helps me become fluent. Speaking every day helps me become fluent. Sentence 59. I don't worry about making mistakes anymore. I don't worry about making mistakes anymore. Sentence 60. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. Sentence 61. Can you tell me more about it? Can you tell me more about it? Sentence 62. That sounds like a wonderful idea. That sounds like a wonderful idea. Sentence 63. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. Sentence 64. I have a different opinion about that. I have a different opinion about that. Sentence 65. Let's solve this problem together. Let's solve this problem together. Sentence 66. Everything will be okay in the end. Everything will be okay in the end. Sentence 67. I'm proud of the progress I've made. I'm proud of the progress I've made. Sentence 68. I believe in my ability to learn. I believe in my ability to learn. Sentence 69. I can improve if I keep practicing. I can improve if I keep practicing. Sentence 70. My confidence grows every single day. My confidence grows every single day. Sentence 71. Today was a productive and successful day. Today was a productive and successful day. Sentence 72. Tomorrow is another chance to improve. Tomorrow is another chance to improve. Sentence 73. I am getting closer to my English goals. I am getting closer to my English goals. Sentence 74. I enjoy speaking English with other people. I enjoy speaking English with other people. Sentence 75. I will continue learning English every day. I will continue learning English every day. Motivation. Excellent work. You have now completed 75 out of 99 sentences. You are building a strong habit of speaking English every day. Don't focus on being perfect. Focus on being consistent. Every sentence you speak improves your pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency. Take a short break if you need one, then continue to the final part of today's challenge. Congratulations on making it this far. You've already practiced 75 English sentences. Now let's finish today's challenge with the final 24 sentences. Stay relaxed, speak clearly, believe in yourself. Let's finish strong. Sentence 76. I am becoming more confident every day. I am becoming more confident every day. Sentence 77. Learning English is opening new doors for me. Learning English is opening new doors for me. Sentence 78. I enjoy talking with people from different countries. I enjoy talking with people from different countries. Sentence 79. Every conversation makes me a better speaker. Every conversation makes me a better speaker. Sentence 80. I am not afraid to speak English anymore. I am not afraid to speak English anymore. Sentence 81. Every challenge helps me grow stronger. Every challenge helps me grow stronger. Sentence 82. I learn something new every single day. I learn something new every single day. Sentence 83. English helps me connect with the world. English helps me connect with the world. Sentence 84. I can communicate with confidence. I can communicate with confidence. Sentence 85. I believe in my future. I believe in my future. Sentence 86. My dreams are becoming reality. My dreams are becoming reality. Sentence 87. I learn from every experience. I learn from every experience. Sentence 88. I never stop improving. I never stop improving. Sentence 89. I choose to think positively. I choose to think positively. Sentence 90. Today I am better than yesterday. Today I am better than yesterday. Sentence 91. Tomorrow I will be even stronger. Tomorrow I will be even stronger. Sentence 92. I enjoy this English learning journey. I enjoy this English learning journey. Sentence 93. Every lesson makes me more fluent. Every lesson makes me more fluent. Sentence 94. I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come. Sentence 95. I will continue practicing every day. I will continue practicing every day. Sentence 96. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Sentence 97. I am creating a brighter future for myself. I am creating a brighter future for myself. Sentence 98. I know I will become fluent. I know I will become fluent. Sentence 99. I speak English with confidence every day. I speak English with confidence every day. Congratulations, amazing work! You have successfully completed day 1 of the 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, you practiced 99 real-life English sentences. Every sentence you spoke helped you build confidence, improve your pronunciation, and become more comfortable thinking in English. Remember, becoming fluent is not about being perfect. It's about practicing consistently. Even if you only practice for a few minutes each day, those small efforts will add up to big results over time. Before you move on, I encourage you to listen to today's lesson one more time. Speak every sentence out loud with confidence and try to use at least 5 of today's sentences in your daily conversations. Tomorrow, we'll continue with day 2, where you'll learn even more useful English expressions and become an even stronger speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, please support English Journey TV by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications so you never miss the next lesson. Leave a comment below and tell me, which sentence from today's lesson is your favorite? Thank you for spending your time learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. Remember, every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.